everyone, welcome back to PW IELTS Prep, proudly presented by Physics Wala. Well, today I'm here to talk about IELTS reading, right? You might have seen in my previous lectures where I have taught you how to do skimming, scanning, and of course the careful reading. And you also know how important these strategies are. So today, just to revise all these strategies, we are going to do one exercise where we both are going to solve the questions together by applying all these three strategies. So now, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Well, you already know that IELTS reading is all about 1 hour task. And in these 60 minutes, you will be asked to solve 40 questions. And you know that these 40 questions are from 14 different categories. So we're going to take 2 or 3 question types today and we're going to solve all these questions right in front of you, where not only me, I want you to write down the answers in the comment box. Right? So let us apply all these strategies and understand. So this is how the passage will look like, where the very first questions is all about, write the answer in the box 14 to 21, and for that we will be asked to write down only one word, right? So as I've already explained so many times, whenever you are going to do any of the question type, make sure you are reading your instructions very carefully, because the instructions will not only help you to understand that how many words you are supposed to write down, but also this will tell you the right format. So here you will be asked to write down one word only, right? And here you have to complete this question type. So the very first thing, can anybody tell me here in the chat box, are we supposed to read the passage or the question? Yes, come on, write down in the chat box. So all my students, you are absolutely right. The very first thing that we need to focus on, questions, right? Let us understand what this specific question is asking me, or the blank or the sentence is asking me. As per this, I'm going to read my passage, and you know that when it is a reading, you are not supposed to read everything. It's just that you need to do skimming and scanning based on the question. So the question here, you are going to complete the sentence. For that, only one thing that can help you is to do scanning. So first, let us understand what the statement is saying. It's saying the writer mentions collecting dash as an example of collecting in order to make money. Right? So the writer mentioned collecting something, example of collecting in order to make money. So here we understood, okay, they are collecting something, and collection of that thing is helping them to make money. Okay, let us understand. So here it says there are the people who collect because they want to make money. Okay, I could get something here. They want to make money. This could be called an instrumental reason for collecting. Okay, now sometimes students think okay, money aaya aur money ke baad aaya called an instrumental. So they are saying this is an instrumental reason, right, for collecting. They are telling you the reason for collecting, but nowhere they have mentioned abhi tak that they are collecting this particular thing to make money. So let us understand that. Collecting as a means to an end, they will look for, say, antiques that they can buy cheaply and expect to be able to sell at a profit. So what they are doing, they are buying antiques. Okay, they are buying antiques cheaply or in a less price, and they expect to be able to sell at profit. So the writer mentioned collecting antiques as an example of collecting in order to make money. So here, as per the given sentence, the word antiques absolutely fits, and the most important thing, it is also making grammatically correct sense. So here we got our first answer is antique. Now, collectors may get a feeling of dash from buying and selling items. So we need to find all these collectors, they have a feeling of dash. They will have a kind of feeling from buying and selling the items that they are collecting. So we need to understand now what kind of feelings, right, the collectors will have or may have when they are buying something or selling something. So it's really important for all of us to understand the question first, to understand the sentence first, so that we'll have the exact, or I would say the right understanding what exactly I'm looking forward in my passage. Okay. So, okay, till here I have read. So let's start scanning from here. But there may well be, psychological element to buying and cheap and selling dear can give the collector a sense of triumphs. Okay, here it's something like that. They are saying buying cheap and sailing can give the sense of, sense is absolutely a feeling of triumph, right? And as sailing outlines so easy, more and more people are joining it. So they are feeling triumph so that more and more people are joining it. See, what I did it, though I have got my answer here already, but still I have read the next line, or I have read one more line just to ensure कि in further line they are not changing the information, or maybe they are not adding something new, right? So always remember, whenever you are locating your answers, just read one or two extra line to understand ki yes, this is the right answer, or in further lines they are not changing. So yes, they are getting the feeling of, let me write down, the answer was here antique, and here is triumph. Okay. Then the 16th one, collectors club. Okay, so जो collectors club है, you know, we are talking about the club. Club provide opportunity to share. So the club of the collectors, right? They provide something. They are providing, you know, an opportunities to share something. Let's see that. Many collectors collect to develop their social life, attending meetings of group of collectors and exchanging information on items. So here many collectors collect, develop their social life. They are developing their social life. How? By attending meetings or by joining groups, collectors group, and they are exchanging what? They are exchanging the information on item. This is a variant on joining a bridge club for a gym, and similarly brings into in the contact. So they are providing what? Collectors club provide opportunity to share information, right? Now collectors club offer dash with people who have similar interest. Not only they are giving opportunity to share the information, but also the candidates who are having the share same interest or the similar interest, the club offers what? So here the similarity, similarly brings them into contact with the like-minded people. Like-minded people means someone who is having, or they are having, similar interest, right? So here they are giving what? Contact, right? So this is what called contact. So contact clubs offer, collectors club offer contact with people who have similar interest. So this is how we are finding. See, when I say that you are not supposed to read everything, but yes, you are supposed to scan, and scanning is not asking you to read each and every word. It's just that you are using your eyes left to right, top to bottom, right? And you are getting the information, related information. Okay, this is how we have got the all four answers. Now let's see further. They are saying collecting sometimes involve a lifelong dash of a special item. So collecting something, जो भी आप collect करते हो, that involves a lifelong dash for a special item. Okay. Some may spend their whole life in a hunt for this. This can give a purpose to a life that otherwise feels aimless. So here they are spending their whole life in what? In hunt. So collecting sometimes involves a whole lifelong hunt, right? Lifelong hunt for a special item. Searching for something particular may prevent people from feeling their life is completely dashed. So searching from something particularly may prevent, right? कहीं ना कहीं prevent करता है people from feeling, when they are searching something, right? They are preventing themselves for feeling their life is completely, okay, their life is completely what? So they are saying that lifelong they are hunting for this. This can gives a purpose, like this hunting is actually giving them a purpose to life, that the otherwise it feels aimless. So it's completely, if they are not finding or they are doing it, if they are finding something, searching for something particularly may prevent. तो जब आप कुछ सर्च करते हो तो ये आपको प्रिवेंट करता है टू स्टॉप फीलिंग दैट योर लाइफ इज aimless. Okay, here stamp collecting may be dash because it provides fact about different countries. कि जो stamp collecting है, okay, may be dash, stamp collecting is something because it is providing facts about different countries. Okay, now let's see this here. You know, what are they lacking? This is the celebrating success. Okay, empathy, who goals draw. Okay, fine. If the thing about collecting stamps, another potential reason, perhaps result of collecting, it's an educational, because you know collecting opens a window to other country and the plants, animals of famous people shown on their stamps. Similarly in the 19th. Okay, so till here if I'll read it. Collecting postage stamps, another potential reason for it, or perhaps a result of collecting, is its educational value. When you are collecting something, right, it is giving you some educational value. Why? Because this actually opens a window to other countries so that you can add or learn something about plants, animals, famous people. So yes, stamp collecting may be educational. One word hai, so I won't write educational value. Education, it may be educational because it provides facts about different countries. So facts about plants, animals, famous person, right? This is how. So always remember, whenever you are finding the answers, as soon as you have got your first answer, right? So in the coming line, maybe very quickly or maybe after a gap, but that is for sure that you're going to have your all the answers in sequence, right? This is one of the question type where you will see the answers are in order. So make sure once you get your first answer, in the following lines only or in the following paragraphs, you are looking for the second, third and fourth answer. So this is how the completing sentence will look like, and this is how you are supposed to read. Again, I have not read everything in detail, or I was just, you know, looking the words. The most important thing that I have focused on my questions. Here I need to pay attention. I need to understand what they are saying, and based on that I have to read and find out the answer. Now, talking about one more, one of the complex, or I would say one of the most challenging question is called list of heading. So here what happens, most of you are already aware that you will be asked to read a paragraph, and after reading a paragraph you need to give paragraph a heading out of these many options, right? So here also you will be asked to read the question first. So what is these? These are the actually answers. You need to choose the answer. The question is this: read the paragraph A, read the paragraph B and C and D. So here the question number 1 is saying to read the section A. So again, when you're reading, guys, believe me, I have seen most of my students, they are giving a lot of time to these questions because they forget that here you are supposed to do skimming. You are not supposed to read everything in detail, right? So just do skimming where you are giving attention to the first line, to the last line, or maybe you are reading something in between to get an idea. The whole purpose here to get an idea, right? The skimming will always ask you to get an idea. No question in the IELTS reading will ask you to read the paragraph in detail and understand each and every word. So let's see how we are supposed to do skimming here. So, okay, it shows I would found, okay, let me just see that I'm going to read the first line very carefully. I would found an institution where any person can find instruction in any subject, okay? And then that was founder, motto of this. So guys, when I say this, I generally do not read these words, okay? So I currently tech philosophy, a student can, okay, here a student can prepare for a career in what? In management, interior designing, okay, accounting, music, you name it. But the what would the founders of these called? They thought these courses are called eruption of profit, okay, and anybody who is meeting the academic requirement can join this program called Fire Science. So this is how I am supposed to read, right? I'm not going to read each and everything in detail. I'm not going to make sense of the entire paragraph. It's just that I have to read the first passage, whatever I have in my mind, 20, 30, 40%. Based on that, now for finding the answer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the strategy of called POE. Now, what is POE? POE is called for process of elimination, where you will not find what is the right answer. Instead, you will find that how many are not the answer. So here, just to give the heading for this particular passage, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out of 8, I will see the 7 wrong headings, right? I will look for 7 wrong headings. Instead of looking for 1 right out of 8, I will be looking for 7 wrong out of 8, right? How? Now, whatever the idea I already have related to this passage, which I have recently read in front of you. Now, see, courses that require a high level of commitment. So, of course, there were courses. They said, okay, management, they can prepare, interior designing, they can prepare. But they are saying that the student can only prepare this erosion of profit, these courses. The student can prepare, right? If they are meeting the requirement. But I didn't read anything where they are talking about high level of commitment. There was nothing related to the commitment and promise. So I don't think so this can be the answer. A course title with 2 meanings. So course title. देखो एक कोर्स की तो बात नहीं हो रही थी, right? There were so many courses. And do you think कि कहीं भी कोई 2 meaning add किए हो कि okay, this is the one course and this one course has 2 meaning? Do you think? Write down in the chat box right now. Do you think a course title with 2 meaning? Well, I don't think so. Now, the equal importance to 2 key issues. Do you think that this passage is specifically talking about 2 specific things or 2 main things? Well, this is also not. Applying theory in unexpected context. Applying theory means when they are applying study or when they are doing research or they are doing some judgments. Well, this was also not. I didn't read any specific word based on theory. Definitely not financial benefit. They are not talking about कि student will get that financial benefit or something. A surprising course title. Do you think it can be the heading? Because this passage is saying, you know, you name it, management, interior designing, accounting, but the founder of these institutions, they called them Arrow Son of Profit. So the course that you know by the name of interior designing, they call them Arrow Son of Profit. So I think this can be the option, but I'm keeping it in option because I'm going to see the next two also. Different name, different outcomes. So definitely different names the, but outcomes nahi the. And the possibility of attracting wrong kind of student, ye bhi nahi tha, right? So what I am here sure that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 cannot be the answer. I am sure here. So I am only left with the option 6. So yes, the process of elimination actually helped me to understand that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 cannot be the answer. So the right answer for this particular passage is heading 6, where they are telling, well, you name them accounting, interior designing, but they call them Arrow Son of Profit. So a surprising course title. So that's how you are supposed to do a process of elimination, which is somewhere helping you to get the right answer easily and quickly. Okay. Now I want all of you to read the second paragraph. Come on. I will also read it, but I really want you to attempt it. I'm giving you 30 seconds here. I want you to read this. Come on. Okay, for skimming, I believe this much time is enough. So let's see that. Naturally, the course intend for prospective, they become investigator, and they, you know, they actually discover who set the fire. They, you know, they establish a chain of evidence. Okay, and they are saying, you know, this particular thing, of course, but would not be this. When I say it's not unknown, okay, fire sense, they are wholly welcome, and this. So, however, देखो, however is a word from where they change the information. So, always look for these kind of words. So, they are saying, however, it is not unknown for a firefighter to torch a building. So, this dishonest and illegal behavior in higher education can creep into the every aspect of public and business life. That's what I have read. So I'm not supposed to here make out the meaning, okay, what exactly they wanted to say, because I have the headings which I need to eliminate. So okay, this is how they are saying, okay, those who take admission in fire sciences, they become investigators, they detect whether the fire was deliberately or set or something, they establish evidence, and they're finding, okay, those who are learning how to, you know, stop the fire, they are also learning at the same time how to torch a building, right? That's what they are doing. and this higher education, if they are doing a kind of, you know, illegal behavior and dishonesty, so this can creep into the every aspect of public and business life. Okay, now again I'm going to do the process of elimination, where courses तो definitely नहीं है, because यहाँ पे एक ही की बात हो रही है, fire sciences, so this cannot be the answer, right? Here even a course with two meanings, so देखो fire science की बात हो रही है, but they are not giving two meanings to that. There is no even two equal importance. They are not applying the theory. They are not telling what exactly you will be learning and how you will be learning, right? No financial benefit. Sixth we have already taken. Different names or outcomes भी नहीं है, right? So again we are sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 cannot be the answer. So we are left with only 8, which says the possibility of attracting the wrong kind of students. So when you are doing the process of elimination, no, here you will actually, you are sure that these cannot be the answer. Okay, you are more sure about it, right? Okay, these cannot be the answer. When you are left with only ones, of course it's going to be the answer. So this is how you'll be able to get your answer quite easily and quickly. Now let's see, I have two more passages here. I realized this anew when I you know, I was invited to speak invited to speak before a class of marketing. Okay, they are talking something about marketing. Here a principle of marketing, it made me think to ask the student, is marketing principled? After all, you know, after all, matters can have principle in the sense of being codified or something like that. The question about marketing principle was obvious. No, just look at the way in which everything is done. Okay, has you know, done, has sun has been marked. Obviously it need not to be done in a principled is equal to ethical way. It's a fashion. So here a courses भी नहीं है, because यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक principle of marketing की बात कर रहे हैं, right? Course with two meaning, well I think so, because the course ethical and fashion, it can be the answer. Let's see that. Equal importance to two issues, no. Applying theory, they are not applying any theory. No financial benefits, these two we have taken. I mean this we have taken. So not two, this we have taken, this we have taken. So even different names bhi nahi hai, right? So we are left with only this, where they are saying a principle of marketing with that two meaning. First is ethical and the other is fashion. So yes, here it's second. Now see, let us apply both. Okay, means and ends. Okay, they're talking about means and ends or to marketing. Student have signed up for the course. My proposal, which I believe would also be, okay, that neither these. So here it is, you know, defined by both the means and ends. Hence, both deserve to be understood, and students needs to study both how to achieve X and also what X is. So they are saying let us apply both means and ends, and students needs to study both what is X and how to achieve X. So do you think if it is this one where they are giving equal importance to two things, means and ends? Because we have already gone through these many, you know, headings again and again. So yes, this is called passage 3. You know, the section D is all about equal importance. They are talking about the equal importance of means and ends, and they are saying it is, you know, very important student to know what is X and how to achieve X. So always remember that process of elimination, you know, is somewhere going to save you everywhere whenever you are supposed to find out the answer from the options. No matter you have 3 options, you have 4 options, you have 5 options, always remember, instead of finding exactly, you know, or straight away what is the right answer, better you look for what cannot be the answer. So this process of elimination strategy will help you to find out answers quickly, easily, and of course you'll be quite sure about your answer. Well, that is it for today, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Tab tak ke liye all the very best.